Ranger 7 was launched from Cape Canaveral on July 28, 1964. It crashed into the moon as scheduled on July 28, 1964.
The beginning of the most successful probe in the history of the space age. The Ranger 7 is ready for launch at Cape Kennedy to photograph the moon's surface before astronauts attempt a landing. The Ranger is equipped with cameras designed to send back more than 4,000 pictures in the last minutes before it crashes on the moon. The Ranger 7 is sent aloft aboard an Atlas Agena rocket. It is one of the smoothest takeoffs on record, as the 800-pound spacecraft is lifted into space and sent on its 240,000-mile journey. The Ranger program has been a frustrating one. Just 6 months ago, the Ranger 6 failed just as it reached the moon. But today's effort is successful beyond all dreams. Midway on its long trip, a maneuver corrects its flight so that it will drop right in the target area. The Ranger flight is a major feat in the space race, an accomplishment that sends U.S. prestige soaring around the world. 16 minutes before the Ranger is to crash, the cameras go on, and the first of thousands of pictures is transmitted to Earth. From 480 miles, it pictures the moon as it might appear on a photograph made from Earth. 470 miles, this shows an area about 78 miles on each side. This is more than man has ever seen of the moon before. 235 miles. The smallest craters here are about 1,000 feet in diameter and are shown in resolution about 4 times Earth-based photography. 3 miles and 2 seconds before impact, more is revealed to man than he has ever known before about the moon. The smallest craters are about 30 feet in diameter and 10 feet deep. 1,000 feet up, the last picture before impact shows an area 100 by 60 feet, the size of a city lot. A moment later, impact. The random pattern records the landing. Thus ends the historic voyage of Ranger 7, a voyage that has projected man across new thresholds into space and closer to a landing on the moon.